today's the day. I get to bring the Porsche. GTR is just about finished up. We're waiting on some parts from paint. So while that is down and we're waiting, we're gonna go ahead and start wrapping up the Porsche so that the Porsche can be wrapped. GTR will be ready. Did you record anything on the wall?
No, I saw.
The wall is down, so the shop is opened up into a lot bigger now.
So this is the shop. I forgot to record the wall getting knocked down.
The biggest thing I hated about the Porsche, well, the 987 Porsches, was the steering wheels. All the newer ones have way nicer steering wheels. The older ones have very ugly, bulky. I hate them. But it was one of the first things I wanted to swap out, and luckily enough for me, I kept the steering wheel from the Supra. So all the parts just came in now, and we are gonna go ahead and swap them out.
Who am I? So we haven't really recorded much, honestly. It's got kind of crazy hectic. But the Porsche wrap is done.